This is Rosie, my friend's new German short-haired pointer. She is about 1 year and 9 months, and she is very energetic. She's kind of just standing there right now, but she's very energetic, and furnace should turn on any minute now. Let's turn on the light so we can see it. This is the furnace at my friend's house. This is an 80% efficiency furnace, so it is not a condensing furnace. And for those of you that don't know, the difference between a condensing furnace and just a regular furnace is the condensing furnaces are more efficient. They'll have plastic PVC pipe instead of metal pipe, and they'll have a condensate drain. See if we can get a shot of the burner kicking in. Yeah, condensing furnaces are 90% plus efficiency. Furnaces like this are like 78 to 82% or something in that range. I don't think it's totally kicked on yet. And I'm pretty sure this is a variable speed. There it goes. See something burning back there? It is quieter than my furnaces. So yeah, it's natural gas. The house has public natural gas. You can just barely see the burner back there. And again, this house was built in 1961. It did not originally have central air. It had forced air heat from the time it was built, but when the original furnace died, and I think it just kicked in the second stage there. Here's all the exhaust. It has a gas water heater, Bradford White gas water heater. And then the AC that I filmed last summer, right there. It has a totally insulated compressor, sound blanket right there. So that's why it's so quiet. And again, this is a straight cool unit, not a heat pump. 2.5 ton, 2003 Lennox Signature Series, 15 SEER. Just reading the service statement on the furnace here. So yeah, they get this maintained annually. They get annual tune-ups on this thing. Here's the other side of it. I know it does have a condensate drain. Well, that's for the air conditioner. You can kill it now if you want. It does have a condensate pump, though. I think that's for the central air, not the furnace. And going off. We are going to see Ghost Rider 3 or Ghost Rider 2 today. And it's shutting off. Shutting off. Thermostat was set for 70, and my friend's dad notched it up to 71 just to get it to turn on for the video. There's the air filter right there, nice and easy to change, unlike mine. I don't think this is variable speed, it's just two-stage. Waiting for it to shut off. I think that's just the fan blowing right now. And there it goes. Slowly powering down. Just being funny there. And there is the AC again. Lennox. Nice system. Don't know what kind of fan motor it is. I just know it has a two-stage Copeland scroll compressor. So since it's a 2.5 ton, I wonder what it operates on in its low power stage. Because that's kind of a, since it's a half ton, like if it were a 2 ton, it'd have a 1 ton. What is it operating like? 1 1/3 or something? I don't even know what half of a half is. Maybe this one isn't variable speed. I don't know. The furnace is the furnace and the indoor blower are variable speed. I don't know about the AC though. This might not be variable speed. And you just pull this panel off to gain access to the compressor. 2003 Dave Lennox Signature Series straight cool air conditioner matched up with a Dave Lennox Signature Series 80% gas furnace. Now let's film the puppy. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.